Hi guys, and today we're going to be making slime. And the things I'm going to be using are some Elmer's glue, some Staflo, and I'm going to show you some slime that it will be like. So this is like some Jiggly Slime. I'm not going to take it out, but it's a Jiggly Slime that I got. And we're going to try and make Jiggly Slime. We'll see if it works. And so I'm going to start by pouring the glue in. Next, I'm going to be adding the activator, which today I'm using Staflo. I'm only going to add a little bit at a time so I don't overactivate my slime. And I'm going to go in with my hands today. I hope this works. Hey guys, and we're back with the finishing product of slime. And I'm going to grab just a little bowl of water. Doesn't have to be warm water, doesn't have to be cold water. Just a little bowl of water, depends on how big your slime is. My slime's pretty little, so I'm just gonna have a little bowl of water. And then I'll show you what to do next. Hey guys, and I'm back with my water, and I still have my slime here. And I'm going to dip my slime in the water. And see how it's like this? It's going to be goopy, and it's going to be it's going to look like this. It's going to be a little sticky. So, and it will get stretchier the more you dip it in the water. One time I tried it with warm water and it does not work. So I suggest you don't use it with warm water. I suggest you use it with just like room temperature water. And that's what I'm using. And I'll get back to you guys when I have the finishing product of slime. Hey guys, I'm back with our slime, and it's a little rippy, but it's a little jiggly also. But at least we made partly jiggly slime, so that's the good part. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for if you want to watch other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye, guys!